Hello friends, today Blood Ascent brings for you a video on All India Law Entrance Examination. So, All India Law Entrance Examination is held on the first Sunday of May every year. The detailed notification for the ALET is published in leading national newspapers and on the university website during January every year. The ALET has 150 questions for 150 marks that must be attempted within 1 hour 30 minutes. The ALET has sections on English, general knowledge, basic mathematics, logical reasoning, and legal aptitude. The test is conducted by NLUD every year. The fee for appearing for the ALET is rupees 3000 for general category candidates, rupees 1000 for the person with disabilities, rupees 1000 for SC/ST candidates. There is no entrance examination fee for SC/ST candidates below the poverty line. Eligibility: all candidates other than those applying under the foreign national category should appear for the All India Law Entrance Examination, which is ALET, and selection shall be solely on that basis. Candidates should score at least 40% of the marks in the ALET, 30% for SC/ST candidates. In order to appear for the ALET, candidates should have passed the 10 plus 2 examination and scored a minimum of 50%. However, candidates appearing for 10 plus 2 examination in the year of the ALET can also apply provided they meet the above conditions at the time of admission. Number of seats: the university admits 81 students every year to the BA LLB honors. 10 seats are set aside for foreign nationals. Of the remaining seats, 15% are reserved for SC, 7.5 for ST, 3% for PWD. One seat is reserved for migrants from Kashmir. So the tips for preparing for ALET are: first, give a lot of mocks on ALET pattern. Second, watch our video of top 10 books for CLAT and use it in your prep. Third, stay calm and clear CLAT. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.